Hello friends, how are you? Today we're going to talk about Santa Claus and some amazing fun facts. Do you know where Santa Claus lives? That's right, Santa lives in the North Pole, a snowy, sparkling place where winter never ends. But don't worry, Santa's home is warm and cozy.
Santa's magical house.
Can you imagine his house?
Santa's magical house.
Is it big or small? Does it have lights? Does it smell sweet? Exactly. Santa's house is big red and always glowing with golden lights inside. Mrs. Claus bakes yummy cookies every day, so it smells like vanilla and sugary. My friends, do you know where Santa writes his letters?
Welcome to Santa's magic letter office.
Inside, there are envelopes everywhere. Red, green, gold, all sparkling with Christmas magic. Santa has a huge wooden desk, a magic feather pen that moves by itself, and a giant book where he writes down who was kind, who helped others, and what each child wishes for. Can you imagine how many letters he gets every day? Thousands and thousands.
Magic fact.
Letters organize themselves.
When a letter arrives at the North Pole, it flies to the perfect shelf all by itself.
The elves sometimes even race to see which letter lands first. Do you know who helps Santa read the letters? The reading elves? They are super fast. They can read one whole letter in just 3 seconds. Can you count to 3? Great job! Another elf already finished reading a new letter read.
My friend, do you want to see where the toys are made?
In the elf workshop, the elves build dolls, cars, robots, stuffed animals, books, and even dinosaurs that move. Another magic fact, the tree that never turns off. In the center of the North Pole, there's a giant Christmas tree that never loses its lights.
Do you know why?
Because it works with the laughter of children.
Every time a child laughs somewhere in the world, a light turns on.
Do you know how many reindeer pull Santa's sleigh?
8 reindeer.
And one very special one. What's his name?
Yes, Rudolph.
With his shiny red nose.
Santa's flying sleigh. Santa's sleigh is bright red and has little bells that go jing, jing, jing when it flies.
Can you make the sound? Perfect. My good friend. Another magic fact. When does Santa start preparing gifts? Right after summer ends. And once a month, he has a big meeting with the elves to make sure everything is going perfectly.
Santa's special message.
Santa wants you to remember something very important. The real magic of Christmas is not just the presents.
It's in put it sharing, put it helping, put it being kind, put it saying, I'm sorry, put it making others smile. That's the true Christmas magic.
If you love this adventure, don't forget to subscribe to Mumyland to keep discovering more magical stories, songs, and surprises.